In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on MoonPay. If you prefer seeing your balances and crypto prices in a currency that makes sense for you, like USD, EUR, or GBP, MoonPay lets you set a default display currency right in the mobile app. This setting doesn't change how or where you pay. It simply controls how numbers are shown across the app, so your activity and balances are easier to read at a glance. Start by opening the MoonPay app and signing into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That gear opens your settings. Tap it to move into the area where you can manage your preferences. Inside Settings, scroll until you see an option labeled Default Currency or Change Default Currency. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, but it will be clear that this is where you choose how amounts are displayed. Tap that option and you'll see a list of supported fiat currencies. Pick the one you want to use going forward. Again, common choices include USD, EUR, and GBP. As soon as you select your preference, MoonPay will update the interface so that balances, transaction details, and pricing are presented in that currency. You don't typically need to save anything else. Your selection is applied automatically and should persist over time. A quick but important note: changing the default currency is a display preference only. It does not alter the currency your payment method is charged in. For example, if your card is issued in a different country or currency, your bank may still process the transaction in its local currency regardless of what you see in the app. Think of this setting as a way to read values comfortably, not as a way to change billing. If you don't see the default currency option in Settings, make sure your MoonPay app is up to date. Head to your device's app store and check for the latest version. If it's already current and the option still isn't visible, reach out to MoonPay support using the in-app chat. They can confirm availability for your region and help you get the display you need. And that's all it takes. Log in, open Settings, choose Default Currency, select your preferred fiat, and enjoy a clearer, more personalized view of your balances and pricing inside MoonPay.